What's going on, everyone? It is Emmanuel with another Devlog. How are you? How is your family, your friends? I hope everything is well, that you're doing all right. Okay, so I'm gonna get into it. So if you saw the thumbnail, maybe the title, because I don't know exactly how I'm gonna title it, I've come up with the Yuzuki's final color scheme and outfit. So, because her outfit and color scheme kind of was temporary. Her arms were set. We're pretty much set. So, for those that might not know or remember, uh, second, remember this is the current Yuzuki that we all know. The yellow, the uh, cool dark gray, close to black, and her arms. So now I will show you her final design. So this will be her final design. Of course, without the cracks, because this is an illustration, um, just to get a feel for what can happen. Um, so yeah, her color scheme is more bright, colorful, and let me show you the breakdown. Okay, so as you can see, the arms has changed a little bit. So here's changed, and I removed. Oh, we don't need that one, even though this is the one I use for her modeling. Go back. That's an old background. There we go. So you can see the differences in the arm. So here, like the forearm area and the palm area, and even the knuckle area has changed. So this is open. This is a little bit smaller, and then there's like leads to the knuckle pieces that will bend. Um, and then this is gone. I decided to remove that because animating, painting weights on that would just be kind of annoying because it would bend. Then these straps, same thing. Again, the animating would just be kind of a hassle. So you'll see maybe her outfit with her wearing the leggings or not wearing the leggings. It's got a knee pad and her sneaks here. I got the color palette idea from the artist Marc. I'll link his. If I remember the video, I'll link it in the description. I got this idea from him, and I made 12 palettes to try to choose from. This was interesting to do. As as I was making, copying and pasting, I got more sloppy with it. So, but in the end, this is the one that stood out the most to me, and then this one stood out. So 6 was number 1 and 5 was number 2. I didn't have a number 3. I think this one was like a number 3. So that's her design. We say it's more colorful. Some people say cutesy. That might not be it, but I'm the type of person that when it comes to like stories, I like a lot of different stories, but I really like ones that are they're like very bright, colorful, full of life. But even with that, the story dives into some dark stuff. Um, you know, and deals with especially add mental things, psychological things. I love those type of stories. So I want to try and make stories like that. That kind of lead you in, and then you're like, oh my god, what did I get myself into? I or to be like, did that just really happen? Just I want to have those moments. So that's why I kind of made this illustration like that. So now on to the engine. So if I can remember, last thing I did in Nandaro. Eh? Let me go. Most of the top. Yeah, I forgot. 1 second. Oh, I remember. It was the passive stats, I think. passive stats, and a little bit of the enemy. So, uh, let me go to that combat level real quick. Let's jump right in. So, I decided not to, and I gotta move because I am going to be. Oh, hey, you're new. Oh, it's two of them. So, I'm gonna run and speak really quick. So, I was going to have extra lives, but I decided, wait, um, if it's gonna be like roguelite, then no. So, um, so I have the same health and max health. This guy here is an energy refill. So if you look on the bottom left, under Yuzuki's health, there is, I forgot, that red ball hurts me. I need not to hit that. She has a energy meter for her special. So if I press the special button,
not enough energy.
Can't use it. And if I attack enemies, it fills it up. This guy hits quick.
Not enough energy.
And this right now will fill it up a little bit. And as you saw, it just went blue. It's ready. And got a hot pink one that I can press a special and use it. Well, he's dead. So that's that. And what I got is the enemies that are spawning is basically they choose like it's a different color swatch. That's it. I think they each have 3 to choose from. Okay. I like her because her swing right now it's not tuned in, so she can swipe and then not hit me unless I get closer. She's still not hitting me. Anyway, so that's that. Now I'm gonna jump into the level that will be the playable version for all you lovely guys and gals when I feel it's up to snuff. So there are four rooms to do stuff in. So I'm gonna jump in and let me know about the angle because this angle right now is the angle that I want the game to be. Let me know if this looks okay or if the angle should angle down a little bit so you can see a little bit more of the background. But let me know. So in the first room, and I have my triggers so you can see them. In the first room, it's like a tutorial room. So I'm gonna hit this trigger. It blocks the door. So this is like with beat 'em ups where it creates invisible blocks so you can't continue. So that's what this signifies. So like a flat screen TV. And this guy basically says, "Oh, you gotta press this to attack, this to do this." That's it. And he's not gonna attack back. He's not programmed to respond, just to take damage and die. Sorry, Beep Boop. So sorry. Once that's clear, that check is clear. Boom. Okay, you finish. Remove the block. Now you can go to the next room. I kind of like that, like the wall, kind of like that. And then this is a bot test. So now there's more, but they move. And these guys, they're kind of annoying because they don't stop when I hit them. So they're just getting random points. But their AI is. Oh wait, they're actually chasing. I thought I just gave them a random. Never mind. Oh, jeez, he just disappeared. So do the bot test. Okay. So that should clear. Oh, there we go. You cleared. And I can go into the next room, which should be a live test. So now we should have you. Oh, hey. And,
enough energy.
And let's try to. Oh, I thought he was trying to attack the. There'll be some have the enemies attack each other that don't like each other, but I don't know about that. No, that'd be just maybe feature creep. Okay, let me take these out really quick. So I only got 2. Okay, so when that check clears, there we go. Then we go into this little court area just to see some purdy stuff. Can't go back here. Ain't nothing for you back there. Then go through here, which will teleport me to the next section. And then this will be a, oh, I got that one close, a boss bot check. This is a small little boss, you know, or something. So hit that, boom. And it'll be one thing. Let's take, no, I'll go ahead and take you out. Are you dead? Oh, thought you, there we go. So once you beat the boss, check, that clears, let's go. Head back out, and it'll take us to the end part, which I have no clue what I'm gonna do here. This is open space. Maybe you meet someone special here, and it ends. I have no clue, but that's pretty much what will happen. I mean, I could give this out now the way it is, but it's just and make it like a infinite wave thing, but not yet, not yet. So that's pretty much it for what's going on. I guess just to show you kind of how, without, I'm not going to go into the blueprints. I guess I could. So, like the check, all it's doing is checking on a timer. Let me go to assets here. I'll just pull one of them. Where's the dummy one? Okay. All it's doing is checking. Okay, just event begin. This is just just getting variables for like the enemy parent, which this is the parent of all enemies, except for bosses. The bosses, I want them to have a parent boss, character VP, and then an array of the enemies. So for the overlap, we're checking. I'm just checking. Is it Yuzuki? Is the overlap? Is the other actor Yuzuki? If it is, then we go into the sequence, and I just have a do once. So do once, it gets the actor with tags. So I'm starting to use tags more. So this tag is the dummy room. So it's getting, I want to say this. It's getting the target point. And the target point, yep, under tags, under the actors tab, and then scroll. You have to drop this arrow down to see it. So actors, drop the arrow under tags, add a tag, and then get all actors with tag, put the tag in. I got for each loop, so there's more than one. And then I'm using that as a spawn location to spawn the blocking wall. And for now, after that, delay the dummy bot. Now this is this guy. So that's the spawn point for the enemy. So then when that happens, then next is a timer. And I cast it to a variable because I'm going to need that later. And all it's doing is it's checking the room. So I'm getting all actors of class. I'm getting the enemy parent. So the parent, getting the length, the current length of how many enemies are spawned in the current space. And it's checking. So if the linked amount is less than 1, so 0, or in a negative. If this is true, if it's 0, then there's no more enemies. You've killed the enemies. So then wait a delay, and it's going to clear that timer right here. Where is it? Where's the timer? Right here. So clearing it just means it's going to stop it from running. It's going to clear the timer, and it's going to destroy the actor, which the actor, we follow it up, is the blocking wall. Of course, if the enemy amount is 1 or above, then it's going to say not clear. So that's that. That's basically for each room. The only room that's different are the rooms with 2 doors. So like for this bot room 1, I just did it get all actors of class because there's more than 1. And just for each loop, so for each one, there's 2 doors, there's 2 blocks. So because if I just did it the other way, only 1 would be destroyed, and then I'll be left with some errors. And that's about, oh, and this room, because honestly, her teleporting, this is all the level. I'm not loading another part. Um, when she gets here, it disables your input, so you can't move. And then it fades the camera out, and it holds. And then it waits, and then it just actor. Let's see this one. Yeah, just get her. Is she valid? Yes. Disable the input from the character player controller. Get the player camera manager so I can access the fade, and then delay. Again, get tags, which this is the target point in the room I wanted to be. Set actor location. So I just move it from one point to another because you can't see it because it's faded. Enable delay, enable input, then fade the camera back in, and boom. There we go. And then for here, when this boss check is cleared, what happens is after it destroys, it spawns the teleport point for here to the next point. So that's pretty much it. So now, I think I want to go and and start making it pretty and start making like cleaning up animations and stuff like that. But I probably will flesh this current thing out a little bit. And if anyone is actually interested, um, let me know, and I will make a build of. Of course, it'll be a PC build. I can't make a Mac build yet because my current MacBook Pros get kind of old. Maybe I can. So I'll let you know if I can have both a PC and a Mac build. So anyway, take care. Have a good rest of your day, morning or night, because I don't know what time it is where you are. It's almost 5:30 here in Japan. So take care. And if you have any questions, comments, whatnot, just drop them in the description. I appreciate you. If you like this video, I want to go ahead and swipe that like, push that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Cost no money, Anyway, I'm out. Have a good rest of your day.